Alrighty, how to properly dice a tomato. I have a Roma tomato here. You can see the eye there. We're just going to cut off the eye. Push that to the side. Now we're going to put it on its flat side. Cut it in half and into quarters. Once you have your quarters, there's sort of a pointy side and your flat side. We're going to start at the pointy end and we're going to be working our way to the flat end. When you're holding onto it, you're holding onto sort of this little triangular spot here. You're giving it a little pinch. So our knife is horizontal. Our fingers are sort of pinching here, and just slowly, like a saw, bring your knife through. We can get all sort of that gunky, wet stuff out of the way, and then we can slice and dice. And that way our salsas don't get too watered down, or our bruschetta doesn't get too soggy. There we go.